Okay, welcome back. Beautiful jam there. Give me that, Rasta and Whiskey. Still 89.9.
Younger FM Lagos, the station we sabi. And yes, and welcome back again on top Tori we matter. Today, the Tori it really matter. But just in case you just tune in and you the one that say what will they talk about for this particular segment? See, I just want to do one sharp rundown under 1 minute. First of all, we they talk about the FCT minister will be some week where be say he don't address those people where be like say they feel too big to respect the rules and the laws of Nigeria, especially for inside Abuja. And don't address them. Saying they always happy when he step on the toes.
They like
big
deal
people.
with them.
They like deal with them, put them in their place. And then after that particular one, we go on to the one when he be say he address PDP and he talks say nobody get the liver, the alimentary canal, the guts, the effrontery to fit comot am from inside PDP because he don't serve the party and he be a confirmed party person.
But I not go like give you if you want to look another way. I think PDP is the most Wike is the most loyal member because even when you be minister under administration of another party, you still remain a member of your party.
No,
which kind of loyalty pass that one? The loyalty get different level.
It be like that kind of loyalty be like one leg they here, one leg they here.
You just be like husband when you say my wife. I know you don't want me to marry another wife, but let me marry. I will still be in this house. I will take care of you.
You know another thing when I think that it happened with the FCT minister yesterday. It just be like say when they tell a secret for PDP, can I go to APC?
But I won't lie. As somebody, why? I don't really say. I not gonna agree when you say Wike and my mentor. I just like his moves.
You want me to bring out the all fed up? You want me to bring out the all fed up when you talk?
Hold on. I go talk something which I do for a video. I think 2 months ago. I say you see all this drama between Wike and PDP. If for not be drama, if PDP just do the normal and give Wike the presidential ticket.
But then
just before 2023
But what it make you feel like say now Wike na in deserve him? There are other persons in the party too that showed interest.
Yes, but at that time when they say, oh, it must come to the SAT,
Yeah.
Because now bring this chaos come. Now see everything when it happen for PDP primary. Now it give birth to G5 governor. Now it give birth to this we go scatter everywhere, but I go still dey here.
Sorry to cut you, but then it start from where in talk say the party chairman no go be from the north.
You remember,
and
right?
And then
yes.
the flag bearer from the north
too.
Also.
And you see what he played.
Yeah.
So imagine if PDP can say at that time, say, we'll just give Wike. So if I be between Wike and our now president, and imagine what he talking. I like stepping on big people's foot. Imagine the stepping away for happen for 2023.
So
the election was sweet.
But the election still sweet now.
You know, sweet the way for sweet. I wish Wike the opposite.
You know, say
you get.
You know, say for inside Nigeria, one of the party primaries when I feel like say he really shake and he get weight way. And people, PDP. I'm telling you the truth. PDP, you know, say that day when other presidential candidates they call a step down aspirants rather. They call a step down for
on behalf of Atiku.
On behalf of Atiku. Baba,
not be small bloody boy.
If you that day, it just be like say everybody does they do wake keep. Do you understand?
Yes, now.
Everybody now they watch, they want to listen, they want to see.
Even people when he save, you get one guy when he really pain up for, you get one guy when he help.
Yeah.
You know, say throughout the 8 years of the last administration, Wike was almost like the only person holding PDP down, was like the opposition of that administration.
And always
you remember saying he not do okay with Buhari that time. He hardly goes to Abuja because he was always saying, "Oh, I don't like this, I don't like this." So imagine after those sacrifice, they come disappoint him.
And he get to a point too when he always when he want to make examples of governors where they stay for their state. He go tell them say, "As a governor of Rivers State, I'm always in Rivers State." He no be like some other governors. Like some other governors where recently some people they worry say. This one now waiting they talk not me talk am. Then they worry say Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun. He dey stay Lagos State they lead there.
The road to Ogun State not really good. You want me?
You know send us the birthday.
For you for one. Not for here.
9 people 9 talk not me talk am. Moving forward.
Moving forward. I don't know, but I also feel there's a reason why PDP never sack am. That reason na wetin the public no know.
And they no wan tell us.
They no wan tell us.
But then na for their own integrity sake, it no really concern us. So that when you dey sanction another person tomorrow, nobody go talk say this thing wey you dey do, the other person don't do wetin big pass am. But you no sanction. I don't know if you understand. Now for their own, now they every time, because before you go talk A and B, they go tell you party constitution.
No, I'm be like, I just remember. So when the 6-month suspension of Sim Fubara go to expire. Now 2 months time. I think it don't it's like 3 months now.
Yeah, it's supposed
now 6 months now.
Next month, I think.
And then I'm not sure they get plan to take postpone that interim government.
Until after then now.
We go get to find out.
We will get to
because the you know say he's always in the church these days. So now from church people they always speak now. So I feel maybe you go don't pray to God, make God.
R&B, you get where I drive go with this conversation. Come out straight. Come out straight and in the open.
You know, as a daughter of your governor, so I just.
I'm not a daughter of my governor.
But
I'm a River State woman.
Okay.
I be Waterside woman.
As a woman of the governor.
I be River State woman.
Now why I say daughter now? Daughter of River State.
I'm not the daughter of the governor. You go make your statement right.
Okay.
I be River State
woman. No, I just say you fight for on the other time. So I
don't fight for anybody. Okay. I dey tell you facts.
Okay.
When I tell you something, I give you facts.
Madam Fat, well done. I
don't fight for anybody.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.